In today's video, I'm talking about this really awesome below ground transition. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm talking about this really awesome below ground transition. Now, I've done a variety of different camera transitions on this channel, but this is one of my favorites. So all you need for this transition is your camera, your hands, and you just need to find a wall that you can transition below. So in this example, I'm going to use this photo frame. We're going to start rolling the camera. We're going to shoot our action. The scene is taking place, the camera is rolling, and at the end of the shot, we're just going to transition underneath this wall. So of course, this is a photo frame, but pretend this is a wall. So we shoot the action, and at the end of the shot, we'll go through the wall and we'll cut. Now for the second shot, we want to find a ledge that sticks out from a ceiling, or if we can't find that, then we can just use the ceiling itself. So if you've managed to find a ledge sticking out of the ceiling, then we'll use this to pull the camera down from to start the second shot. So the start of the second shot, we'll have the camera hidden all the way up here. We'll go 3, 2, 1, action. Camera comes down from the ledge and we go into the shot. If you can't find the ledge though, then that's fine. We can just point the camera up at the ceiling, have this quite close to the ceiling, stop rolling the camera, and 3, 2, 1, action, just tilt down and travel forward with the action. It's a really simple video transition, and all you have to remember is you want to go down at the end of the first shot and you want to come down at the start of the second shot. Now, once you've got both of those shots, we want to throw these both into a video editor of choice, and we can quickly stitch these together within the edit. Now, if the movement was fast enough on both of your actions, then all you have to do is trim the end of the first shot and trim the start of the second shot, put these two clips together, and when we play these back, we've got this really awesome below ground transition. The below ground transition is really simple, it's really easy, and as I say, this is one of my favorite video transitions because I feel like this is seriously underutilized. I really hope this video helped you learn something new today, and if it did, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for the next video. Thank you for watching.